right there. You gonna ride it?
I
Gotta check engine light on now. First, we have to go pick up a U-Haul because it won't fit inside the car, and I don't have a truck, so yeah. So we just got the U-Haul. We are gonna head on over to the guy's house. I'm actually gonna text him right now and let him know. We got the cash, we got the U-Haul. What the heck is up with this? Look at these controls. Look at these controls. First of all, this is how the key looks. This is the key. This is it. And you just shove it in this. Second, look at this. Look at. Let me see if I can get this up. Bike's right there. Definitely a quirky guy. Definitely a weird guy. The guy wanted to go get the title notarized, so we went to Amscott, got the title notarized. We got it back to the house. It is now dark out after returning the U-Haul. Let's start off by hearing how it sounds. So he's got this, like, I don't even know what this is, cheapo can on here. They have preferred the stock exhaust. Tail tidy kit on it. Some upgraded levers, it looks like. Some weird mirror. I don't know. Got an alarm system on it too, which probably is gonna come out to be more of a pain than a help, but it is only 250 pounds, so someone could very easily steal it. Let's do a quick 0 to 60. Let's turn on these brights. I can't see a thing out here. Oh, that's it. That's all I got. I said 0 to 60 like this, so you can get it to 60 miles an hour. I mean, if we really get pitted on it, let's see if we can get it up to 60. Oh, we gotta get really tucked. Come on, show me 60. Yeah, we got to 60. Okay. Well, it's not the fastest, the fastest bike I've ever owned. But it's definitely really fun. Yeah, I gotta get used to the ergonomics of it, I think. I feel like the bike is missing in front of me because I'm used to having the bars out and like straight in front of my, straight in front of my face. But it's definitely fun. Now I've only ridden one of these one time. This is so much fun, dude. I gotta get one of these. Something smells weird. I mean, I did just cook this thing going 60 miles an hour, try another wheelie, and then head back to the house. Yeah, I'll take that for now. It's really fun, and it's really light. I loaded it up into the bed of the truck by hand. Like, I didn't have a ramp or anything, so I just picked this thing up. I think it weighs like 250 pounds. It's 125 cc's. It's really a small bike. It's essentially a moped. You gonna ride it? So Haley is 4'11", and she is barely touching the ground. Oh my. Straight into the barbed wire. I do think the rear shock has been set to the highest preload, so that may have something to do with the sag weight or the sag height. I also stole a mirror off it already. I thought maybe making my bike slightly legal would be helpful, but I'm probably gonna take this off because, oh my gosh.
Stopped right before the tree and then I fell.
Into a tree?
Oh, I hit my pinky.
It's totaled.
Yeah. That was hard.
Nah, it's okay. It's just because it probably the tip sensor.
It's also not.
I gotta check engine light on now. No engine light. We're good. You're good. Alright, let's get this super loud exhaust off here. Let's do a little sound check right quick. It's too loud. I'm trying to use this thing discreetly, and that is the opposite of discreet. So we got something to fix it. I would have never thought that I would be buying a stock exhaust to put, a bike back to stock. I don't understand how this rubber doesn't melt. So I ended up taking the O2 sensor off of the plug up there. It was actually just, pressure fitted. I was having trouble getting it out of this aftermarket exhaust, and I realized, dude, the guy cross-threaded it in there terribly, shoved it way down in there. It's a terrible job. Should I start it with no exhaust? Yes, I think I should. No, I'm not going to. I'm gonna put the stock exhaust on. Let's start it up real quick. I need to put a crash cage on this stupid thing. My name's Aaron. This is Tardy Productions. I'm out. Ooh, and it's got this cool sticker. Definitely adds like 5 horsepower. Ride it!